Hello, folks. It's my first attempt at making a little video that will pass along some information that I'd like to draw your attention to. A little bit of easy math, what I call easy math. And this is going to be over an example. If most investors have realized that most cryptocurrencies have followed or nearly mirrored exactly the effects of Bitcoin over the last course of history, the time frame of history. This particular point, you can go back any time period you want to, but we're going to hold this to a period of October 28th through November the 8th this year, 2018. And this is Bitcoin. This is Binance's chart, and BTC. BTC. This is their, and I'm going to leave this graph up here so you can compare the others. But from this little area of time from October 28th through November 8th, the low for Bitcoin was 6,245 with 02 cents. And it climbed up to the high, as you can see here, $6,615.15. What I'd like to show you is, for example, if you had taken a $1,000 investment and you bought, I'm going to go ahead and put that 1,000 in here because I'm going to use this. And you bought into BTC at $6,245.02 here at the low. You would have bought this many shares of one BTC. What you would do is then see, to find out how much you would have grown, it would have gone to 66.15 equals. This would be your gain, and actually, if you subtract your $1,000 investment, you would have earned $59.26 roughly. Okay. Now, same period of time. This graph shows you XRP. XRP. We're going to take that same $1,000 investment. Go ahead and do the memory. Sorry. And we're going to invest that, divide that by 0.4340. That's what they have right there. And we're going to sell it at this level. Multiplied times 0.56878 equals. Now, if you subtract your $1,000 initial investment, you would have earned $309.64. This is during the same period of time, using the same $1,000 invested into two different cryptos. One was Bitcoin, one was the XRP. Let's take a look at XLM. Same period of time. My bad. Your $1,000 investment. This time we're going to invest into, looks like a 0.21800 equals Somehow I didn't get that right. Hang on one more time. There's your $1,000 investment. You're going to divide it into, or by that price, which is 0.21800 equals. And you're going to cash out at 0.27099, this level, equals, subtract your $1,000 investment, you would have earned $243.07 during that period of time. Let's take a look at ADA. ADA, same period of time, and you guys need to see this. This is the same period of time. Notice down here, you can see the date. It's the same. You have to see that it's the same. Don't trust me. Go check it out yourself. This is easy math. ADA went from 06773 to 08260. So let's do that math. I'm going to take my $1,000 investment. I'm going to divide it into 0.06773 equals that many shares, and I'm going to cash out at 0.08260. 08260 equals, you subtract your $1,000 investment, you would have made $219.54. Okay. Let's take a look at Litecoin. My $1,000 investment divided by $47.71 right here, and it climbed to $56.92. That's a gain of $193.04. All right, now we're going to take a look at TRX during the same period. Here's my $1,000 investment divided by 0.02137 equals, and we're going to cash out at 0.02510. Subtracting your $1,000 investment, you would have gains of $174.54 with TRX. Now let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum, ETH. All right, so we have our $1,000 investment at the low point, which was $193 and 1 penny. Times, and the cash out at 224.80. That did not compute. I messed the math up. I'm so sorry. It's easy to do. Trying to shuffle, if you've ever made a video, and this is my first, with such things. And dealing with money, you want to be accurate. I'll go back through. I'm sorry. What's my $1,000 investment? I want to divide by 193.01 equals. Then I want to multiply. I'm going to cash out at the 224.80 level up here. Equals. Subtracting your $1,000 investment, your earnings would have been $164.70 with Ethereum. That being said, now that you understand, and you can do this math on, again, there's Ethereum. Take a look at the charts. This chart, same period of time. This is Bitcoin. I'm leaving it down here. Look at Ethereum. It's the same low to high. Tron or TRX, same period, low to high. LTC, low to high. ADA, same thing. I mean, they're just mirrored to BTC. Here's your XLM. It's a mirrored. We did the math. If $1,000 was invested in each one of these at the low and cashed out at the high during that period of time, how much would you have made? And then here's XRP. The low, the high, their low was this area instead of this area. So it's still within that time frame. There's the low and there's the high. And that's the math that I pulled up for you. And the reason that I did that, and I'm going to make it a little easier for you. Here's a breakdown of what we just did, math-wise. It looks a little overdone, but bear with me. Recorded growth from about October 29, 2018 to November 7 or November 8, 2018, comparing the growth of Bitcoin to the growth of other cryptocurrencies, assuming $1,000 was invested at the low point and sold at the high point. Looking back over the recent history for quite some time, you will notice most of the top cryptocurrencies have pretty much mirrored Bitcoin. And again, you would have made money with Bitcoin. You would have made money with XRP. You would have made money with Ethereum, Litecoin, ADA, TRX, XLM. You would have made money with that $1,000 investment. I just want you to see the difference in the amounts, because most people think Bitcoin, oh my gosh, Bitcoin. And it is good, and it is the most popular name, but there are over 2,000 cryptocurrencies. These are just the top ones, and you'll see why. The earnings, again, we did the math. You can pause this video, you can redo it, you can avoid this video, but you can't deny the math, the simple math. That week, with $1,000 invested in Bitcoin, you would have earned $59.26. XRP, you would have earned $309.64. Here we go. I simplified it. You're welcome to pause this and take a look at the notes. Remember, BTC, you gained $59.26 on $1,000 investment. Each one of these had the $1,000 investment. BTC earned $59.26. Ethereum, $164.70. TRX, with $1,000, would have earned the $174.54. Litecoin would have earned $193.04. ADA would have earned you $219.54. This is with the same investment, just in the different currencies. XLM would have earned you $243.07, and XRP would have earned you $309.64, over that same period of time with the same $1,000. Now, the next thing I would like to draw your attention to, now that we know what Bitcoin earned with $1,000, and from that period of low, Bitcoin's from 62.4502 to the climb to 66.15.15, we know that it actually earned a total of $370.13 per Bitcoin. That's the price that it climbed during that period of time, the Bitcoin price. And knowing that growth during that period of time earned $59.26, then we can easily go through in some ways says, well, I expect Bitcoin to hit $25,000. Okay, there's no reason for it not to. I'm not disagreeing. I'm hoping it does. But during that same period of time, had it gone to $25,000, that's awesome. That $1,000 investment into Bitcoin would have earned you $3,003. However, if that $1,000, if that same period BTC went to 25,000, that $1,000 investment into XRP would have earned you $15,695. That $1,000 investment into XLM would have earned you $12,321. If it were in ADA, it would have earned you $11,128. If it was in Litecoin, it would have earned you $9,785. If it was in TRX, $8,887. If it were in Ethereum, it would have earned you $8,348. Again, your Bitcoin would have earned you $3,003. Had it gone to $25 per Bitcoin, if you had $1,000 invested back here when we told you, and it climbed all the way up to $25,000 per Bitcoin, your $1,000 investment would have earned you $3,003. That same $1,000 would have earned you so much more in these other cryptocurrencies. So, yeah, $25,000 sounds wonderful for Bitcoin, and I hope that they do, and they probably will. But my money's going to be in these other, just as well into these others, because there's so much more potential. And again, remember, they have been mirroring the same growth patterns as Bitcoin. Just something to consider. And please leave your comments below. I appreciate it. Thank you so much.